Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will tell you about if your ear speaker is not working, how you can solve this issue. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move to our today's video topic. If you are having any issue regarding your ear speaker or the calling speaker, you can solve this by the way as I am showing in this video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the ear speaker problem in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. Let's watch the video.